Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. Now I'm going to show you what is a digital zoom in Panasonic GH5 settings. So, digital zoom is just not physically zooming, not the physical magnification, but digital magnification, of course. When you're recording in 4K, maybe you don't lose the quality of the video, but when you're recording 1080p, so unfortunately it will damage your video quality. For example, let's see it right now. For example, I have disabled the, maybe I'll try to show you it in this way. Okay, so for example, right now I'm recording in without crop, but now I can enable the crop digital zoom for it, for example, and now all is closer, as you can see, but it's not physically clothing, but it's manually and but it's digital clothing. So in this case, of course, you will have better quality of image when you're recording 1080p in Full HD. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye. See you.